Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much, Anne, for being first in the notification gang. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out some really exciting products. I'm trying out some products from Kmart. For those of you who don't know Kmart is like the store you go to for everything at a really good price. So it's like your affordable Target. I'm going to be trying out their coconut and almond oil range, and each item was $3. Yes, you heard correctly, $3. So I'm going to first start off by taking out my hair. This is what my hair is currently looking like, and I'm going to dampen my hair so that we can go straight in with the shampoo. So this is the shampoo. It's like a clear consistency. I would have to say that the smell is overpowering. It's overpowering. If you don't like the smell of coconut, this is not for you. You're not going to enjoy this at all. I don't mind it, so it wasn't that bad for me, but it's a lot. So the shampoo overall, after I washed it out, it did not dry my hair too much. It didn't strip my hair that much. It did strip my hair, but not enough for me to complain about it, which is good. So this is what the hair ends up looking like after it's been washed. And then I'm going to go in with my conditioner. So you guys know that conditioner is what the talk is all about. The conditioner is pretty good, I would have to say. It's far better than I had expected. I expected that it may not have any slip because it was so thick, but it did have slip once I put it on. You guys can see here that I got a little bit excited with the results. I wasn't expecting this at all. I had like zero hopes. I expected that my hair actually would need some repair after this stuff, but it was actually quite alright. So I managed to detangle my entire head with no resistance and no damage, and this is what my hair looks like after a wash. So as you can see, it is a little bit stripped, but it's not entirely stripped. It's something that you can always replenish once you do your lock method. Then I'm going to go in with the hair mask, and the hair mask is a similar consistency to the conditioner. I honestly wonder whether it's the same thing, but anyway. I put the hair mask on and just evenly applied it to my hair. The hair mask was pretty good. Obviously it's only after you leave it on for a little bit that you can see the results. So I went on and put my shower cap on, and then I put my microwave heat cap on and allowed the mask to sit in for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes I took it out, and this is what the hair is looking like. So we have a lot of shrinkage, which is a good sign, and my hair seems to have liked the product. It enjoyed it. There was not really any complaints other than the fact that obviously maybe if you had applied an oil or something to it, it would have been much better. So after washing it out, I'm going to start my lock method, or my LCO method. And I'm going to start off by using the hair and body oil, which is like a spritz oil. This is a weird thing for me because I ended up buying two of the same product at different stores because I thought they were different, but I think they changed their branding. So there's that. Water. It's not an oil at all. It's like a water consistency, which was quite weird. But anyway, it did work, I guess. Then I went in with the hair shine, and this was like Vaseline, to be honest. It had the same consistency as Vaseline. It looks like Vaseline, but it just smells like coconut. So yeah. Then I went in with the treatment oil. I will have to admit, this dropper thing is quite nice. Actually, I enjoyed using the dropper. And the oil is very watery. It's a little bit waterier than jojoba oil, to be honest. I wasn't sure how I was feeling about it, but I just continued on with the rest of my hair and decided I'll make my decision the next night. So this is what my hair ends up looking like once it's done. I did sleep with it overnight, and then we'll see what the results look like tomorrow. Alright guys, so it is the next night. I'm going to take my bonnet off, and we're going to take these braids out and see what the hair is looking like with the Kmart products. I'm actually really excited to see this because it can change the entire game for us Aussie people. If we have products available that cost $3, I mean, it's self-explanatory. So let me take it off. Okay, so in terms of the smell, the coconut smells really, it's a lot. The coconut smell is a lot, but it's not like that, you know, natural coconutty smell. I will admit it is artificial coconut number 739. So this is what it's looking like. It's actually not bad at all. Wow. Wow. Okay, Kmart. Okay, Kmart. Okay, Kmart. So in terms of getting the job done, it actually does get the job done. My hair doesn't feel dry at all, like at all. There are other products that I have used. You guys remember me trying out the Dark and Lovely All Natural collection. This is far better than it. And I would have to say this is primarily due to that hair mask. That hair mask did very, very well. I mean, you can see the curl definition here. So the curls are popping. It did activate my curls. Bear in mind, I did not use a curl enhancer or anything like that. Obviously, if I had used a curl enhancer, the curls would have been extremely prominent from top to bottom. But the curls are most prominent here, which is not even that bad, considering that these are $3 products. Everything was $3. I will say that my hair is very oily. It's a lot shinier and the oil is on my hands. And I think that's because this is apparently an oil, even though it has the consistency of water. This is an oil, this is an oil, and this is like Vaseline, to be honest. So it's like oil, oil, oil. But it still sort of did the job. Obviously, we can see here. If I was to change it up, I would probably still, I don't know, this oil was very, very watery. Not watery, but it seemed like I feel like it would be a good oil to put on my body more than it is to put on my hair. It has the same consistency as jojoba oil. It's a very, very light oil. So let's undo this section so that we can see what this looks like as well. So this is it. Honestly, like for $3 products, if you're on a budget and you just, you know, need something, I don't think that this is a bad choice at all. My only gripe about this would be, and I was able to detangle my hair. I detangled my hair with this, so it's actually pretty good. My only gripe about this product would be the fact that it is quite oily. And for me, I can totally see that my hair is a tad bit dry. It's not entirely dry. It's not like dry as the Sahara Desert, but majority of the product is still on top of my hair. It hasn't sunk in my hair, but some of it has, because obviously it got that curl definition and is not dry and brittle. Personally, for me, the hair mask is my #1 product that I would recommend for you to try. My #2 would be the shampoo and conditioner that I would recommend for you to try. My #3 would be this oil that I would recommend for you to try. Oil is oil at the end of the day, and this is coconut and almond oil, and it's in a really easy dropper bottle, and it's just nice. I think I will actually implement this into my routine. And then I would recommend this spray. And then after, I'd recommend this Vaseline, this coconut Vaseline. That's just my personal preference. Kmart, I'm sorry for doubting you. You did do a thing. If anything changes, I'll let you know on my Instagram. That's where you'll find out whether things went down south or not. But look at that, guys. That's the end of the video, guys. Let me know your thoughts, what you think. If you're in Australia, or I don't know if Kmart is international. If you're in Australia and you do try these products out, let me know. DM me, message me, email me, whatever. Let me know what you think. And yeah, don't forget to like the video if you like the video, and share. if you want to share with your friends and tell them about this new secrets that we just figured out, and comment down below your thoughts. I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much.